Hello guys, good morning. Yes, good morning again. It's me Ryan and I'm back with I can say pretty good day trading recap, although I got stopped at first, but yeah, it went well. Uh Pins, I traded pins. That's the only one I traded. In my list I have Neo and SPCE. They're both good movers. I was about to trade SPCE, but I got really late shorting it. It was a good run in here, and Neo was not that good actually in terms of there was no volume at first, as you can see here. Uh, no volume in the first minute. It means we're gonna focus on other ones. So as you can see here, if you look at pins, crazy volume at first, 1.5 million. That's pretty good. So I kind of jumped in too early and I got stopped. I should have waited a bit, like somewhere here. And this is where I should have entered. Yeah, and stopped somewhere high of day. So uh most stuff. Pins is a nicey stock. It's a bit hard to trade nicey stock, but yeah, it worked. So let's watch my trade. I shorted it here, got stopped, re-entered short all the way here. It worked. I added, I got stopped. I don't want to give back, and I took it long all the way here. I added. It's just not working, and look what happened there. But I could have been stopped if, even though I added here, since my average will be somewhere here in the middle. Look at this week. It's like 2.4 million something. 2.3 million, 2.4 million, yeah. So that's crazy. So let's watch my trade. There you go. As you can see, market opens. So I was actually watching Neo, but as you can see at the volume, there's not much in the volume. Let's pause this. Let's see. I'm going to show you how I really trade this opening orbs, or B, or opening range break up and break down or break out, whatever you call it. As you can see here, no volume. Can you see it here? Yep, no volume. Let's go to the second pick. No volume, but SPCE has volume, and it's a crazy move. So I'm just kind of scared. Where will I enter? It has 500,000. I was kind of scared if either I should consider taking long or taking it short, because it's hovering above VWAP. But the thing is, let's go backwards a bit. But the thing is, if you look at pins, the volume came in. Let's rewind this a bit. Yep, as you can see here, pins has about 22,000, and the volume just came in like 1.3 from, you can see here. Let's put it into real time. 22,000, 1.1 million. So I was like, okay, since it's below VWAP, I really wanted to short here. This area, I have a 3460. I didn't want to miss the whole move, right? So that's why I kind of entered a bit early, which is a bit dangerous. And my stop is like high of day, 3490. Yeah. Yeah, I was kind of scared of this trade because I was in a bit too early. Yeah, let's look here. Yeah, so I didn't want to wait until here until I got stopped at like a full 1 hour. I was like, oh, it's gonna drop, it's gonna drop. I was closely watching this area, and then I got stopped. Like, yeah, sorry, I'm not supposed to say bad words here. And then when I saw it got rejected here, I said, oh, it's really long. So I took it short again. Oh man, I was really lucky for that. Yeah, I should have waited a bit more, but I took it too early here because that was a great move. So I got a really good partial in here. I should have taken here. Yep, that's, well, my shares. Whatever I lost here, I made it up here because I was like, I had a really tight stop in there. So that was a really good run. Another one here. crazy, man. Like, imagine if I didn't re-enter, I'd probably have a red day, or I will probably overtrade. Because I was really expecting this line 34.60, as you can see here. It's a support here, right? Yeah, that was a good one. Yeah, I should have gotten all out here. I was still keeping some shares to see how it goes, but yeah, it was a pretty good profit. As you can see here, there's like a resistance in this area. That's why I was kind of confident that it's probably gonna be a short. Should have stopped out, like not stopped out, but get all out here. I don't know why I like keeping shares. Anyways, yeah, so, and I think I added here somewhere. I wanted to add here, but I failed. Yeah, I like too far. My stop is somewhere here. A very small ad. Yeah, this was it after that. I think they just, I mean, the stock just stopped me out and then it went all the way here. Yeah, it's crazy. There you go. Come on, stop me out. And I have another video after. Yeah, so I'm all out, as you can see here. You can see here, I'm all out. I re-entered it long. Let's watch it. Yeah, so as you can see here, it's kind of hovering around at this area. It's making higher highs. Not really, but if you look at 5-minute, it's not making new 5-minute lows. And this big drop, and it held. I was like, oh, I think this is, it's either it's gonna, you know, if it makes like a triangle here, it's probably gonna break and go for a lower. But the thing is, it's making higher highs in 5 minutes, and it looks like it's gonna squeeze. So I took it long there, risking kind of low of day. Yeah, there you go. Just easy, right? So took a little bit in there, a little bit of partial. Come on, fast forward this a bit. Yeah, so took most of my profit somewhere here at this area. Yep, that was a really good profit. I was just risking 82, or I mean, I'm not gonna risk until 82. Probably I'll get stop at 90. Even though I have an auto stop, I don't really, sometimes I don't really get stop at full position, because you know, like you have to watch the tape as well if it's really gonna go there. If you know that's gonna go there, then you just stop early, like what I did here. I thought it's gonna squeeze and break the high of day, or high of pre-market, which is about 35, or maybe more than that. Maybe like I have levels that I will get stop just in case, and it's a round number as well. So I added there, and my new average cost is somewhere here. Should have waited, but you'll know what happened after. Yeah, I stopped out, but let's watch what happened. There's like a 2 million volume here. I'm glad I caught it. There. That's crazy. Let's rewind that a bit. In real time. That's like, okay, 57,000. So my stop was somewhere 34.15, right? Boom. Look at that. And it went back here. 2.3 million. So someone, I think someone just sold 2 million shares. Someone sold 2 million shares to someone, I think. because the print was not red, it's like pink. It's kind of like, I don't know how that works, but yeah. If I didn't add here, I could have survived it. 34. I think that's what my original target was. Not, average cost was. Yeah, so that was a funny experience. I sometimes I catch those kind of moves, you know, before it happens. But look at that, and it just squeezes more. I was gonna short it somewhere here at 90. I did want to short it, but it's just because sometimes this kind of move, it's just momentum, and sometimes it's not gonna continue. Especially if you don't see volume, that much of a volume here. So yeah, I really wanted to take it short here at 90 area. I should have shorted there and took profit somewhere here. Crazy. Yeah. See more buying pressure. I think I'm not sure if someone can correct me. I think this is institution, like someone's exchanging large shares from each other. So I think that's how it works. Like, you know, like there's a bank calling another bank or institution that, hey, I want to sell you 2 million shares. Yeah, I'll buy it. Or I want to, you know, on a discounted price, this kind of thing. But yeah, it's now just hovering around. So I think the price will be somewhere here. This is the correct price where the VWAP is. So yeah, and it's just going to drop, I think. So yeah, if you like this video, please hit subscribe. If you know, if you have any friends who has the same interest, maybe share this channel to them. And yeah, if you have any questions, just comment down below and I will get back to you if I'm free. Thank you and have a good day, everyone. Bye.